Now we are going to start case study question number 14 of class 9 science. So let us see the context. We take some ammonium chloride in a china dish and place the china dish on a tripod stand. See this figure. The china dish covered with an inverted glass funnel. A loose cotton plug is put in the upper open end of the funnel to prevent the ammonium chloride vapors from escaping into the atmosphere. The china dish is heated by using burner. On heating, ammonium chloride changes into white vapors. These vapors rise up and get converted into solid ammonium chloride on coming in contact with cold inner walls of the funnel. Right? This one. In this way, ammonium chloride collects on the inner side of the funnel in the form of a sublimate and can be removed. So based on this context, now some questions have been framed. So let us start with the first question. What name is given to the phenomena which takes place? Condensation, evaporation, sublimation, vaporization. So the correct answer is sublimation. Okay, save it. Second question, one of the following does not undergo sublimation. This one is iodine, sodium chloride, ammonium chloride, camphor. So sodium chloride will not go will not undergo sublimation. So the correct answer is B bit. Third question, the conversion of a solid into vapors without passing through the liquid state is called vaporization, fusion, sublimation and freezing. The correct answer is sublimation, what we have seen just now. Now the next question, when heat is constantly supplied by a burner to a boiling water, then the temperature of water during vaporization first rises very slow, rises rapidly until steam is produced, first rises and then becomes constant, does not rise at all. वो constant होता है. Does not rise at all. The correct option is the D1. Okay, and the last question, during summer days, water kept in an earthen pot becomes cool because of the phenomena of first diffusion, transpiration, osmosis, and the last one is evaporation. The correct answer is the D bit, that is evaporation. Okay, so this is the last case study question of this case study question. Now we'll see the next case study question in the next one. So thank you very much.